Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my page. I will teach you about web development in WordPress. First, download these two software. Name first first software is XAMPP. XAMPP is a local host server. This is XAMPP local. This XAMPP, you install XAMPP new version for enjoying a good server. So next software is Wordpress new version 5.6 download. This is basically a file or this is a software. After downloading these two software, install XAMPP. Install XAMPP in your this PC drive locally and new folder. Name XAMPP and install XAMPP under this folder. After installing XAMPP, my XAMPP is installed in this folder. This is my all XAMPP files. After installing XAMPP, you install WordPress, copy and go to htdocs, paste this is WordPress and extract here. After extracting, this folder is created. You change this folder name and type your website name. My website name is EasyPesa. My website name is EasyPesa. After this, go to your browser, Chrome browser, open XAMPP. First we will start Apache MySQL. After starting this is most important to start XAMPP by Apache MySQL. After starting this, type localhost /php my admin and then click enter. After this, create a database. This is database. Click this and type your folder name and website name. This EasyPesa. No, accurately this spelling is typed on database. My name is EasyPesa. My website name is EasyPesa and create. This is created. Then new tab, close this and again type localhost / your website name, your database name. After this, again /wp my -admin and click enter. You come on this page. Let's go and type your database name. My database name is EasyPesa. Username is not your name. Username is only for root. Only root. Username is only root. Password is no localhost. All this self only root. Type root or your database name and remove password and submit. Then click run the installation. After this, you type your site name. My site name is EasyPesa. After typing these name, after typing your site name, type your username. My username is EasyPesa. For example, EasyPesa. And type your strong password. My password is 123ABC. Very weak password. You type very strong password. After this, confirm use of weak password and type your email address. After typing your email address, then click on this, not click on this, and click direct install WordPress. After solving these configuration, install WordPress. WordPress is now installing. So WordPress is installed now. Save this password, log in, and your account is settled. Then close this. You come next day and you do not open this. Then go XAMPP on MySQL and Apache. On MySQL and Apache. Then go to your browser and type localhost slash easypesa slash wp dash admin and then click enter. You go this place and then log in. Your WordPress is come now. Then your website view is this. This is I installed. This is my website view, and I want to need. So video is too long. So goodbye. I come on next day for good WordPress lecture about pages. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.